Okay, guys, we're gonna do today the grammar, English, Igbo grammar. And what we are doing is infinitives, participles, and auxiliaries, okay? So we're gonna do the infinitives and then talk about all the prefix. And then when it comes to infinitives, we have I. Now I'm going to share the screen with you guys so that you see what I'm doing. And if you can't see it, let me know you can't see it, okay? That way I will know you cannot see it. Have to minimize it a little bit. So one more time, do you have question for last week class? You have to ask question. I want to make sure that you're learning. If you don't ask me a question, there's no way I'm going to know that you're learning anything. Go down there. No question? You don't have any question, guys? Do you have any question from the, if you don't have question, which means you know everything we did. Is that what it is, guys? Okay. Nobody has any question? Do you have question from what we did last week? If you don't have, we need to move forward. Okay, again, I said we are doing today the grammar, Igbo grammar. We're doing the infinitives, participles, and auxiliaries. And it has to do with some words and how to harmonize it, okay? So Igbo grammar, let me know if you're not seeing what I'm doing, but you have to be talking to me to make sure you know what we are doing.
Are you following?
Do you see what I'm typing on the screen? I'm sharing my screen. Do you see what I'm typing?
Yes.
Everybody? Okay, good. Let me increase the...
Auntie, can you make it bigger?
So can I do what?
Make it bigger.
Yeah, I'm trying to make it big now, okay. All right. Let's see. Okay, can you see it better now? Is it better or you want it bigger? Okay. Let me turn it. All right. So guys, everybody, can you see it now?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. All right, so this is what we are doing today. And then the first example I'm going to give you here is something called email.
Oh.
Okay, we're gonna do the first example here is going to be email, and I will tell you what it is. Email. Okay, email now means to do. Just to do. Email. I am email in here. All right, to do. That's what email. Now we have another one. Say eta. Eta. When I say gata to gata in here, can anybody tell me if you know what the meaning of eta?
Sure.
To what? To what? Somebody said something.
You can say it.
Okay, I thought you got it, but I thought I had you correct. Eta means to shoe. To shoe.
I'm listening to you.
You see what it is? So eta means to shoe. All right. Let me see if we have more people to admit into the classroom, because I see people are coming in. All right, nobody else. All right. Okay, so ime means to do. Now I'm going to say, Ify, let's go to market, let's go to grocery. And then Ify will tell me, I have something to do. I need you to understand what I'm trying to say here. To do. Ime, the word here is ime, to do. So she's telling me that she has something to do, that therefore she won't be able to go. Now, you have something, maybe, remember we have COVID-19 going on, and then I give you something like vitamin C, and I say, okay, go ahead and chew it. So now, eta, taya, ta, ina taya. So there are so many ways to say things. So, but right now, let's get the keywords. The first one is ime, to do. The second one is eta, to chew. Then the third one is ire. Ire means to sell. To sell. Eno, okay. Eno. Eno means to hear. Eno. Eno ihe. Eno ihe. Ire ihe. To sell something. Ihe is always something. Ihe is always something. Ire, to sell. Eno, to hear. Eta, to chew. Ime, to do. All right. Now we have another one. Eba, Igbo. Remember, all these are just keywords, and we're going to use them to make a sentence.
The next one is what?
Igbo, I'm coming. Igbo means to kill. To kill. Then Ebula means don't kill. Ebola, but we're going to get to that one. Let's finish this one first. I need you guys to get the keyword. So, Igbo, to kill. Now, izute. Izute means to, okay. Izute means to meet. You're going to meet somebody. Now I'm going to tell you, okay, your uncle is coming or your auntie is coming. Gazuteya. Gazuteya or izute mother. So just know the keywords because we're gonna use them to make sentences. Izute means izute mother means to meet somebody. Go and then get the person to meet somebody. Okay. To meet. And we have another one. What is another word here? To want. Okay. Echo. So pay attention to when it comes to this infinitives, participles, and auxiliaries. So the infinitive we're trying to use was here. I. I is what we are trying to use here. So I want everybody to pay attention to I letter. So that's what we're trying to do here. Okay, so is it to meet? Now, to want. Echo. Yes, I have to. Yeah. No, that person is there. Another person. Okay. We have 10 participants so far. All right. So let me make it slow. Come on, come on, come on. All right. So reduce the line, just single line. I want you to see everything. All right. So now, echo means To want. All right. To sweep. Eza. Eza is to sweep. So if you get confused, call me back. Now let's just finish this one. And now, ime. So to do something. And now, enwerem ime here. I have something to do. So we're gonna use all these are the examples. Okay, I have something to do. I have something to do. Okay, now pay attention. To do, you see to do it in the end. So when it comes to Igbo, sometimes we have irregular verb, we have regular verbs, okay, and adverbs. So this is just like Spanish. Though Igbo is it's not consistent. Sometimes if the subject is going to come before the adjective or noun or pronoun, see what I'm saying? So in Igbo language, we have some, though it's not persistent and it's not regular. Let me put it that way. Whereas in Spanish language, their own is like their subject is always last or something like that. So now, ime, or I mean the adjective. So now you see the ime, I have to do something. Enwerem ime ihe. I have something to do. Enwerem ime ihe. So that is the meaning of this one. Let me just do it one. That way don't get confused. Let's do. Enwerem ime ihe, and this is what it is. Now, who is referring to, guys? Who is referring to? See what I put there? I have something to do. Now, when I say, enwerem, ime ihe. Who is that referring to?
I.
Okay, good. I have. So it's possessive. That is referring to you. Enwerem ime ihe. Now, let's stretch it a little bit. If you want to tell me that your sister or your brother or your mom or your friend has something to do, how would you put it in sentence? We've done this. Remember when we did the pronouns and prepositions? Somebody should tell me something, please. If you want to tell me that he, she, it has something to do, somebody has to say something.
Already.
Okay, what is that? Can you tell me the letter you're talking about at the beginning of the letter? What is it?
Is he or she or it.
Yeah, but tell me the letter. That's all you're talking about.
Oh.
What letter is that? In Igbo.
With the dot and the bottom.
Good job. Yeah, that's all with the dot. That is correct. Onwere ime ihe. Now that is correct. So because you're referring to somebody, he has something to do, and that means onwere. That is good. Who said that?
Me.
Who said that?
Me. Isn't
What
it?
is your name?
Isn't it?
Isn't it good? Now he said, oh, and that bear with me, my symbols. I don't know what's going on with my symbols. This is all with the dot. So onwere, please make sure you put dot on it. Onwere ime ihe. You see that? So can somebody else, if we want to say they have something to do, I need somebody to tell me what to put there. Somebody says something. Somebody use they have something to do. Let me type it. Okay, they have something to do. Guys, come on, we need to get this.
Ha,
Oh,
where?
ha, what a good job. Who is that?
Oluchi.
Oluchi, good. Ha, nwere. Okay. Ha, nwere. Ime, ihe. Okay, I think right now it's clear. Anybody, do you have any question? The sentence goes to we, there, so that's how we do it. You need to tell me if you have any question on this number one. Anybody with a question? Anybody with a question?
No.
Okay, no question. We're moving on. Now we're gonna use number two, and somebody is gonna tell me, use what we did already. I need somebody to use this to shoot. You know what it is. Eta. So that way I will know that you guys are learning something. So go ahead and tell me what you're gonna say here. Somebody try, just try something.
I'll try. No.
Say it in English first. I need a short so that they will know what it is in Igbo when we do it in Igbo. If you are going to say something, please say your name before you say that. It's Oluchi talking. And I want you to say it in Igbo. Oluchi Neku. Oh, this is what you're going to say. Introducing your name before you say something. Oluchi. Oluchi. This is example. Oluchi na Eku. This is how you introduce your name. Okay. Oluchi. Example. This is example. So Oluchi, bear with me. I'm using your name, okay? All right. So this is how you do it. Before you say something, please introduce your name. Oluchi or Ifi na Eku. Now, then you say what you want to say or you ask the question. Okay. So somebody number two. We're doing number two. Who will tell me who we used to shoot to make a sentence from the number one that we did already? And right now, okay, I see Blessing is in. Blessing, you came late. Okay, so can somebody say something? I need somebody. Somebody wanted to say something in Igbo. And then I say, put it in English first. Then we put it in Igbo to help people know the meaning of what we are saying. Hello?
I am chewing on the rice.
I am what?
Chewing on the rice.
Okay. I am chewing. I will tell you what it is. So, okay, if you don't know the meaning of rice, I'm chewing, okay, on the rice. Or I am chewing rice. You want to put it that way?
Yes.
Okay. Or let's, because we're going to do to chew. I have to chew rice. Okay. But let's leave it the way Oluchi put it. Oluchi. Is that Oluchi is in there? You didn't do what I told you to do. Go ahead and do the introduction before you say that.
Isn't it Neku?
Oh, is in Neneku. Okay, good. Okay. I am chewing the rice. Okay. What is rice, by the way? Isn't
Osikapa.
Osikapa? Good. Okay, I'm going to kwuo ya n'Igbo. Kwuo ya n'Igbo.
A na-eta osikapa.
Okay. Anam. Anam. You see, M is there because you see the M is there because it's possessive. See, anam. A is referring to yourself, which is I. Anam ata osikapa. You see, the I change when you're changing the whole thing. You're getting away from the infinitives. Okay. So anam ata osikapa. Osikapa. Now, if we want to put it like eta, ena, agam, enwerem eta, osikapa. Now, let's put it that way because I want people to understand very well. Enwerem eta, osikapa. Or you tell somebody, do you have to chew osikapa? See that? Okay, let's do that one. This is a question. Do you have to chew osikapa? There's no dot on that O. This is a question. Can hear. Question means ajojo. Question means ajojo. Question is ajojo. And those U's supposed to have dots beneath them. So add dots beneath the U's. Question means ajojo. So know that. Okay. Now we're gonna answer this one. Do you have to chew osikapa? I nwere eta osikapa. Now that is when you are referring to somebody. You ask a question. Do you? Now, do you say that you comes before do? That's what I was telling you before. How Igbo goes. So sometimes it's not that regular. We have some irregular. Okay, so do you have to chew osikapa? Inwere eta osikapa. Ajojo, question marks means ajojo. So know this, please. All right. Any other person want to add something, or else we move forward? You want to add something? Now we have ire, to sell. To sell. Somebody give us an example. To sell.
He wants to sell knives.
Okay. He wants to sell knives. Let's use she now. Okay. Running out of time. Okay, guys, it's gonna cut off in 10 minutes. So we're gonna get as much as we can, please. All right. All right, so, okay, go ahead. Remember I said, say your name before you tell me that. Now, whoever said this, say your name.
Are you from Igbo?
Ifamangwa. Igbo.
Say what?
He wants to sell knives. Knives, is it plural or singular? Okay, it's okay, it doesn't matter, okay.
Achoro, ire, ma, isn't that nice?
Yeah, eku. Remember, nice has to do with eku. It's the small knives in the kitchen. Eku means kitchen. Remember, we did that in the classroom. So, or put dot there, please, underneath the O. Ochoro. And all the O's there supposed to have dot. Ire, ma, eku. Eku means small kitchen knives. Eku means kitchen. So note that. Eku means kitchen. So mma means the mma eku kitchen knife. And if you look at mma eku is after the knife instead of knife coming before them. So when it comes to Igbo, it's different. Okay. So now your homework will be to complete the rest of them. Igbo to kill, izute to meet, echo to want, eza to sweep. But we're still going on until the Zoom is over. So we're gonna stop after 45 minutes. And then we have up to 6 more minutes left. So go ahead and tell me, any other person with an example? Any other example? Any of the ones that we have down there? So you are the ones to complete.
So,
You have to complete Eno.
when you say you're gonna say, yeah.
Go ahead, I want to ask question.
She want it in version part.
No.
Huh? Who is talking?
Uche.
Uche, what's your question?
Which one are we doing?
Any of them? You want to pick any of them to do?
Can I do 2 here?
Huh?
Can I do 2 here?
See where I say complete the following. So wherever we stop at, you're gonna finish the rest of them and send to me. And send to me. You gotta send it to me and write your name through WhatsApp. Don't send it to the forum. Send it to me. And yeah, so you're gonna do it. But right here now, tell me whichever one you want to do. Can you try one? At least try one. So from number 4 to, and I will post it. I will post it for those who are not here. So don't worry about that. Just make sure you're making your note, but I'm gonna stay posted. All right, so anybody, do you have any question before the class is over? But the one that I said complete, make sure you complete them. I will post it on the forum. And if you don't have WhatsApp, please go ahead and install it, because that's where I'm going to be sending all the recordings. And the class is recorded. You will also get everything there. And I will also record some of this, the pronunciation, so that you know how they're pronounced. So any question, anybody?
No.
Nobody want to ask question? And I will send more assignment for you to do. Anybody with any question?
No.
Okay. Okay, so now let me do Eno. Eno means to hear. Enanu ihe. Enanu ihe means is a question. Ena. Anu. There should be a dot underneath you. Ihe. Do you hear something? That's what it means. Do you hear? Always, ihe means something. Ihe means something. And I need here. Anybody with any example? Anybody with example?
I want to hear.
Who is talking? Introduce yourself the right way. Remember, I put up there how you introduce yourself before you start speaking.
I'm Uche.
Oh, Uche na Eku. I want you to repeat it, Uche.
What? Say it again.
Oh, Uche na Eku.
Uche. What's the last part?
Na Eku.
Na Echu.
Na Eku. Eku.
Na Eku.
Yes,
Na Eku.
Eku. Okay, now go ahead and make your sentence.
I want to hear.
All right, I want to hear. Uche said, I want to hear. All right, I want to hear. Acharam, the I is referring to you. Want to make sure the O's are supposed to have dot underneath them. Eno, in here. You see that? That's it. Achọrọ m ịnụ ihe. That's good. That's a good one. All right. So guys, please go over what we did. I will post it, and please check the forum regularly, okay? And then you'll be able to see what I posted there and then go over them and name them. And I will post more assignments for you to do. All right. Good to have you guys in the class, all right? See you next time, everybody.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.